In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Fisher Transform indicators on TradingView Pro, quick and easy guide. We're going to walk through this step by step, so if you're newer to TradingView or to indicators in general, don't worry. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and how to get the Fisher Transform indicator onto your chart in just a few moments. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView Pro account and you have any chart open. This can be a stock, a crypto pair, a forex pair, whatever you normally analyze. Once your chart is up, look towards the top of the screen for the indicators button. It's usually near the toolbar at the top, above the price chart. Go ahead and click on indicators. This opens the main indicator and strategy window. Inside this window, you'll see several sections, and one of the tabs you'll want to focus on is the one related to technicals. Click into the technicals area. This is TradingView's main list of built-in technical indicators, and it's where you'll find the Fisher Transform. At the top of this technicals panel, you should see a search bar. This is going to make things much faster than scrolling through a long list. Click into the search bar to activate it, and then carefully type Fisher Transform. Make sure you spell it correctly, so the right indicator shows up. As you start typing, TradingView will filter the results. You should see Fisher Transform appear in the list of indicators. When you see it, simply click on it once. As soon as you do, TradingView will automatically add the Fisher Transform to your chart, usually in a separate panel below the price candles. Take a moment to look at it and confirm it's there. You'll see the Fisher Transform line, and depending on the default settings, possibly an additional signal line. If you want to customize it, you can hover over the indicator name on the chart and click the settings icon. From there, you can adjust things like colors, line thickness, and input values to match your personal trading style. If you don't already have TradingView Pro and you're interested in using these kinds of indicators with more flexibility, check out the link in the description to sign up. That way you'll be using the same setup I'm showing you here, and you'll have access to the full range of tools that make working with indicators like the Fisher Transform much smoother and more efficient.